This is an unboxing video of Makita DUR181Z. It's a cordless string trimmer operating on these Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Let's see what is in the package. Okay, it's in two parts. I hope we don't need any tools. Some kind of a handle. It's the string card. This is of course the main assembly. Oh, you actually get a strap. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. Well, first of all, let's get rid of these useless pieces of crap. Let's go straight for the, well, let's use the English. English instructions. I guess this is just a safeguard and a trigger, or maybe actually a button to keep it engaged without using force to keep it engaged all the time. We'll see soon. And here's the instructions for assembling the handle. Let's see. Specifications, warnings, safety instructions, battery safety, blah blah blah. This is actually kind of worrying that I actually have to spool the cord in. I've never done that. Let's have a look inside. No, there's something already spooled here. Oh, that's interesting. There's only one side where it comes out. I've had like cheap pieces of gear operated by a two-stroke engine, which have that on both sides. Basically, I think with this button, by hitting these two grounds, you should get more spool. Let's see if we can figure out how to assemble this. This comes here somehow. Oh, I guess we do need tools. Just a moment. Okay, I got some tools. Let's continue. Silly me. Of course it's supposed to guard your legs and not the rest of the world. Don't want to break any plastic parts. Yeah, I think that's it. What else? So which way do we want this to be here? This way or this way? Might be completely symmetrical. It looks pretty symmetrical, so let's put it on this. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there's those screws on both sides. Yeah. And this knob here, I guess. Wow. Okay, there we go. So we can adjust the position of that. And you should be able to adjust this like so. Okay, good. I'm 180, so I guess that's okay for me. Is there any lock for this? I think that button. Yeah. Okay, I just put away my tools. Oh wow, this is really lightweight. I like that. Let's see. Okay, that's tight. And again, fully charged Makita 18-volt battery. Let's see, where's the indicator? There. Let's go try this out. Well, actually I'm going to get some better shoes first. I don't want to get injured immediately. So this patch is quite bad. Let's try it out here. Let's see, no, that's not a good angle. Maybe like so, and I'm also going to take these back just one notch. Okay. No, it didn't like that. Let's see what's the situation. Let's go see some other patch also. It really doesn't like this kind of grass. I don't know what that is called. Yeah, it almost chokes on that. Let's see here. Yeah, seems pretty effective. I just realized that probably should be feeding from this side here instead of like I was first trying from this side here. See, just a bit more. Yeah, it seems to be doing pretty good job. How about here where it's not so quite so much overgrowth? Doesn't want to eat that one. Yeah, otherwise seems to be doing pretty bang a job. I'm happy with this device also. I might need a bit bigger thing for my yard work, but it's a nifty little thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like. Have a nice day.